Hi guys, in today's video we'll be showing how to add Office file on Kommander. In addition to PowerPoint we talked before, Kommander also allows adding Word, PDF, and Excel files. To add Office files, click plus. Choose Office and PDF. Select the files. First, let's add Doc and PDF files. Similar to PowerPoint, you can right-click on the files and select Settings to configure options such as Autoplay. Since Word and PDF documents are usually white, they can appear very glaring on LED screens. It is recommended to enable the invert color option for a better viewing experience. Next, adding Excel files. Excel only supports displaying the content of the first worksheet. Excel supports page turning and scrolling effects, and you can set it to autoplay in page turning mode. And you can also add margins to improve the display. If there are multiple worksheets, you will need to split them into separate files. The current maximum supported Excel size is 16384*16384. If the Excel file contains too much content, it's also recommended to split it into multiple documents and use them with the playlist feature. It's recommended to set the Excel page size according to the screen dimensions. Ideally, adjust the column widths and color styles in Excel based on the screen size. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching.